What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a quick video. This is going to be a video camera test for the Blu Vivo 11. It also has a secondary camera in the back. It's a depth sensor. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the video quality here. I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you think of the audio quality as well. I'm curious to see how that does. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and do a zoom test. There's a little squirrel right there in the yard. Zoom back out. Go to the setting. Alright, so let me know what you guys think of the video quality, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a quick video. This is going to be a front-facing video camera test for the Blu Vivo 11. The front-facing camera is 16 megapixels, and this is shooting at 1080p. So let me know what you think of the video quality. Let me know what you think of the audio quality. It seems to me the audio isn't. It looks like the video isn't able to keep up with the audio. If that makes any sense? So like, I'm talking, but the audio is like. Maybe a little bit delayed. That's what it looks like from the viewfinder. But you know, I'm gonna put these on the computer and edit them, see how it turns out. Right now, let me go ahead and do a zoom test here and go ahead and zoom into the car. Oh no, it doesn't have a zoom. So there's that. Well, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. And yeah, let me know what you think of the audio quality and the video quality, because the video looks pretty good. Peace, y'all. So that's going to be the camera test for the Blu Vivo 11. If you guys want to see anything else with the Blu Vivo 11, as far as the camera goes, looking at the different modes and everything that it does, let me know in the comment section below. But be sure to like this video if you haven't liked it already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And if you do decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that anytime a video is posted in the future, you can be notified of it immediately. But until then, my name is Max Rock. I want to say thank you, of course, for watching this video. You have a good day. Deuces.